In today's video, I would like to show you a tool that OSINT investigators use to find someone's email address. So the tool that I'm about to show it to you will take someone's username that they use on social media and will check whether it exists on email providers, for example, Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, etc. Not only that, it will also check whether this email can receive emails or not, and will not notify the people that someone is trying to check whether their accounts or their emails exists or not. So this means that if you are searching for someone on the internet and you were able to find that they have an Instagram account, Facebook account, TikTok account, etc., you can take advantage of the username that they are using and put it in this tool to see whether they have any email addresses that are registered with the same username. This will make your job much easier and will save you a lot of time. Now, with all being said, let's get started. So the tool that we are going to be using is called mailcat, and we can see that this tool will find existing email addresses by nickname using API SMTP checking methods without user notification. So to install this tool, all you have to do is just to copy this URL and then go to your Linux machine and type git clone and then the URL and hit enter, which will download a folder of this content or the content of the tool. After this, you want to go to the directory of this tool and run this command to install any dependencies that the tool is going to be using. And using the tool is very simple and easy. All you have to do is just run Python and then the username that you are searching for. So let's say that we would like to find out the email address that this person is using. So what we can do is copy the username that they are using on Instagram, and of course you can apply this on Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, etc. And then we are going to go to terminal and go to the directory where the tool exists, and then I'm going to type Python 3 and then the tool name, which is mailcat.py, and then I can say -h to see all the options. And we can see that there are two very important options that you can use. The first one is, for example, -p, which will allow you to only select one email provider to check whether a username exists on it or not. And the second one will list all supported email providers. So let me say -l. And we can see that this tool will check for a username on these email providers. Now, please keep in mind that not all email providers exist in here. So you might go and search for this username on different email providers that are specified or targeted to specific countries, etc. But for now, I'm just going to run the tool and add the username that we have copied and then hit enter. And this tool will check right now whether this username is registered on an email provider. And now the tool is done, and we can see that this username has been found on Google. So as an OSINT investigator, you always need to verify the information that you found. So I'm going to copy the email address like this and then go to Google and try to sign in with this account. And if I clicked on next, you can see that it's asking me to enter the password, which means that this email exists. If we clicked on try another way, we can find some other information. For example, this account uses a passkey, and if we clicked on try another way, we can see that this email address is associated to a phone number that ends with 50. So this is how you can search for someone's username and see whether there are any emails associated to these usernames. Now, please keep in mind that you always need to verify the information that you found. And if you have tried this tool or know any other tool that helps you to find email addresses, please let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to try the tool and make a video about it. Now, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.